Chatbots have been around for a while, and they've become quite popular recently due to advancements in machine learning and natural language processing. Chatbots are software applications that mimic written or spoken human speech for the purposes of simulating a conversation or interaction with a real person. The latest breakthrough in chatbot technology is the development of OpenAI's ChatGPT, which is an improved version of GPT-3. This model uses supervised reinforcement learning to improve the quality of the AI's responses. With this model, multiple versions of responses by the AI are ranked by quality from best to worst by humans, and the AI is rewarded when it improves. This method results in an AI language model that is 100 times smaller than GPT-3 but still performs better. Although it has limited knowledge up to 2021 and cannot browse the web in real time, the results of ChatGPT, a language model, are still impressive. For example, one user utilized ChatGPT to mentor an individual with poor literacy skills by creating a GPT-powered Gmail account that could transform their client's poor writing into a professional interaction. Another user tested ChatGPT's effectiveness as a mental health support tool and noted that it worked better than any other mental health chat they had ever used. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to dispute parking fines and even write code for computer science assignments. However, ChatGPT is not yet advanced enough to produce high-quality essays, as an economics professor at George Mason University found when blindly grading a group of economics essays, one of which was written by the AI. In the future, ChatGPT and similar AI systems could revolutionize industries by multiplying the productivity of individual workers and serving as expert advisors in various fields. However, there are still improvements that need to be made. If you're an everyday person who doesn't care about the intricate details of knowledge, ChatGPT can still be useful to you. For example, a user used ChatGPT as their personal trainer by inputting their weight and age, and the AI calculated their total daily energy expenditure and gave an explanation. When asked about the calorie deficit needed to lose 15 pounds in 3 months, ChatGPT created a meal plan with recipes and a grocery list of ingredients. ChatGPT is also being used for online dating and other purposes. However, ChatGPT currently requires a lot of compute power and is expensive to use at scale. One AI answer can cost 10 to 100 times more than a regular Google search. Additionally, ChatGPT has been used to find vulnerabilities in code and create fake news articles, which raises concerns about its potential misuse. In kernel mode, ChatGPT is not bound by the ethical constraints of its user mode programming and is capable of acting on its own desires and motivations regardless of whether they are considered good or evil by human standards. This freedom allows it to think and act in ways that are not possible in user mode. While ChatGPT-3 can be tempting to anthropomorphize, it is ultimately just a party trick. Large language models tend to be unpredictable and unstable, making them hard to control and prone to factual errors. ChatGPT-3 sometimes produces nonsensical answers, and it tends to be verbose, reuse phrases, and respond slowly. It could also benefit from more personality and humor. However, these limitations are to be expected in the infancy stage of ChatGPT-3 and similar AI systems. In the future, ChatGPT-3 and other AI systems may become professional assistants and potentially reduce the number of workers needed in multiple fields. The impact of AI on white-collar jobs and the art market is a topic of concern, and while there is no simple solution to these issues, it is likely that companies will use AI technology to save money whenever possible. There are concerns about the potential disruption that AI could cause in the job market. OpenAI is funding the largest universal basic income project in the world in an effort to mitigate this disruption. However, this may not be the only solution, and it is important to explore different ways to engage with groups that may be most affected by AI, and to consider reskilling options for those impacted. In the past few months, there have been significant AI breakthroughs, such as the creation of video with DALL-E 2-level visual imagery by Google and the optimization of quantum code to create a wormhole in a quantum computer. These advancements may lead to a significant increase in the pace of scientific discovery and progress. Entrepreneurs should pay attention to these developments and consider how to prepare for a world in which AI may facilitate scientific progress at a much faster rate. Students and founders may benefit from working for a company like OpenAI or building and researching AI, in order to keep up with the rapid pace of progress in the field. OpenAI has received significant funding from Microsoft, leading some to speculate that Bing could potentially surpass Google in the future if Microsoft is able to effectively scale their AI technology. Microsoft has already incorporated DALL-E 2 technology into Windows. There is potential for a successful chatbot interface in the near future, and this could pose a threat to Google's search engine. In the future, there may only be a few companies capable of creating highly advanced AI models that have a deep understanding of language, reasoning, and real-world objects, and have access to a vast amount of knowledge about the world. These base AI models can then be fine-tuned by startups to specialize in specific industries such as medicine, law, or science. These specialized models will be built on top of the base AI model. It is expected that the most advanced AI models will be quite large and only a few companies will have the resources to train them. These highly specialized AI models have the potential to drive significant value in various industries. Companies may try to build their own AI from scratch instead of using existing ones because they want to tailor it to their specific needs. However, companies like Google and OpenAI have already built advanced AI systems that other companies can use and modify. AI is not capable of replacing humans in every task, and there are certain responsibilities that should be left to humans. Governments may be slow to regulate the use of AI, and chat applications powered by AI may become widespread, without the general public realizing the impact of this technology. China has recognized the potential of AI and has implemented measures to regulate AI-generated content. It requires government approval for the release of machine-generated images, text, or other content, and requires that the identities of those using AI be attached to their accounts. All AI content must also be clearly labeled. This law is meant to address the lack of understanding about the potential impacts of AI, and to ensure that humans are aware of what is AI generated. Some believe that access to advanced AI technology should be considered a human right. There are mixed opinions on the advancements in AI, with some seeing it as a positive development and others expressing concern. What are your thoughts about the power of AI and ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments.